Hi guys. Yeah, so like today, we have issued a tornado actually not a tornado warning, a watch. And so the clouds were actually really dark, like really dark. Like I was about to freaking I wasn't scared at all. And so then like literally something happened. And oh yeah, check that dog out. He's mine. He's my dog. He's my doggy. And so we had like a warning issued for DeSoto, and like you can literally see down there, see right there, That cloud's literally so dark. So that's the darkest cloud is. And over here, you can see the clouds like right there and stuff. Well, we have a neighbor that, if anyone is a fan of me, you can move into that house because somebody's actually moving in. But it's getting sold, and apparently a dumpster is coming. So be watched out for a tornado around my area. And if you spot a tornado, just tell me. Call 608-790-7787 if you spot a tornado. I'll let my family know. So call this number. Thank you and bye.